Many customers face the same problems when choosing a battery-powered motor. Why does the motor overheat? Why does the equipment lose power under heavy load? Why do motors with similar power ratings have completely different lifespans? In many cases, the real issue is not the controller. It's because the wrong motor was selected from the beginning. So today we'll talk about how to choose the right battery-powered motor, what the differences are between DC motors and AC motors, and which applications they are best suited for. Baoluomotor is a professional manufacturer, specializing in industrial drive motors. Our battery-powered motor products cover voltage ranges from 12 volts to 96 volts, with power ranges from 0.5 kilowatts up to 30 kilowatts. Our main products include DC brushed motors and AC induction motors. These motors are widely used in AGV transport vehicles, electric transfer carts, forklifts, ATVs, oil pump systems, and low-speed electric vehicles. First, let's look at DC brushed motors. The main structure of AC brushed motor includes the stator, the rotor, the commutator, and carbon brushes. The working principle is relatively simple. Electrical current is transferred through the carbon brushes and commutator into the rotor windings, creating electromagnetic force that drives the motor to rotate. The biggest advantages of DC brushed motors are high starting torque, excellent low-speed performance, and simple speed control. Because of these characteristics, they are especially suitable for heavy load starting, frequent start-stop operations, and low-speed, high-torque applications. For example, electric transfer carts, traction equipment, and low-speed transport vehicles. In terms of manufacturing process, our production includes armature winding, insulation, varnishing, commutator machining, dynamic balancing, and full-load performance testing. Every motor is tested before delivery to ensure stable performance and reliability. Next, let's talk about AC induction motors. The biggest difference between AC motors and DC brushed motors is that AC induction motors do not use carbon brushes. Instead, the stator generates a rotating magnetic field, which drives the rotor to rotate because there are no brushes in contact during operation. AC induction motors offer several important advantages: lower maintenance requirements, higher efficiency, and longer service life. When combined with a controller, AC motors can also provide smoother and more stable operation. For this reason, AC induction motors are ideal for applications that require long continuous running time. For example, AGV transport systems, forklifts, automation equipment, and oil pump systems. During manufacturing, high precision is required for stator winding, rotor balancing, and bearing assembly. These factors directly affect the stability and lifespan of the motor. So how should customers choose the right motor for their equipment? Normally, we focus on several key factors. The first is voltage, for example, 24 volts, 48 volts, 72 volts, or 96 volts. The second is load requirement. How much starting torque does the equipment need? The third is working duration. Will the equipment run continuously for long periods, or only for short operating cycles? The fourth is the operating environment. Will the motor work under high temperatures, dusty conditions, or environments requiring water resistance? If the application requires low speed, heavy load, and high starting torque, then AC brushed motor is usually a cost-effective solution. However, if the customer is more focused on efficiency, lifespan, and lower maintenance costs, then an AC induction motor is generally the better choice for long-term operation. In addition to standard motor products, we also provide customized solutions including OEM manufacturing, special voltages, custom speeds, and customized mounting structures. If you are looking for AGV motors, electric transfer cart motors, forklift drive motors, or industrial traction motors, feel free to contact us. Our engineering team can recommend the most suitable motor solution based on your application requirements. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.